think it's going to be a full moon tonight. Look at my garden. It's looking great. Ah, mother elderberry. Well, hello.
Well, hi.
What are you doing?
We are harvesting. I'm harvesting mugwort. So today is the day of the full moon, and there's actually an eclipse today, so the energies are really high. We're not going to necessarily see the eclipse from here, but you can still feel the full moon eclipse energies. So we're going to harvest the mugwort.
Mugwort. Oh, what's that used for?
Mugwort is a very magical herb. It helps with astral travel, helps with spirit journeys, and helps with meditation. So we're going to be making smudge sticks out of these. I've also got some southernwood here, which is mugwort's little sister, and she's doing very good, so we're going to harvest a little bit of her, and she helps keep pests away. So we're going to make smudge sticks out of her that will actually keep these mosquitoes away, because I don't have any Aurora's Apothecary bug spray on.
Any advice on harvesting? Do you cut the whole bush down?
We're going to cut about 1/2 to 3/4 tonight. This is going to be our major summer harvest. But the mugwort will bounce right back, and we'll get another harvest in probably about a month.
Oh, awesome.